Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Monday, June 11th. I hope everybody had a safe and happy weekend. Today we're going to jump into an unboxing, review, and on foot of a new colorway of a Nike model that just dropped recently. Before we jump into that, I did want to give you guys a look at the new Richie Ruckus Sneaker Things Dream Team Tee that is now available on richieruckus.com. I dropped quite a few pieces of merch since my last video. As you guys know, I've been really focusing on the whole Sneaker Things collection. I do have a special collab that's going to be coming. It's actually not going to be a Sneaker Things drop. It's going to be a Richie Ruckus times Midwest Native. You guys know, that's family right there. And we've been working on something really dope, something special. I don't want to give away the surprise on what the drop is in this vlog, but I am currently working on the rollout and promo for the pieces that are going to be dropping, so stay tuned. I will be putting a video up on the channel about that when it gets closer to the rollout. We're going to be doing it big. We're going to be having a release party. I'll be getting into all that later down the line. Enough of me rambling. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Nike Air Max 270 in that chilly Habanero Red colorway. These are so fire. You guys know how I feel about red sneakers, and I'm not the hugest fan of the 270. I've only done one previous video on this sneaker model, and the Flyknit ones they came out with look super dope, and I like the general aesthetic of the sneaker. It's really hard for me to rock an Air Max that isn't a Vapormax right now, but you know, it's got a ton of air, as you can see with the air in the heel right here, and it's just very simply done, tastefully done. You got that Habanero Red throughout the whole mesh upper with black laying underneath it. We got black Nike swoosh there. We got the Air 270 right above the Air unit in the back. Black Nike branding on the tongue and more black Nike branding on the inside. Like I said, the Air Max 270, it's a dope model, and I think it's going to be a lot better for summer. It's, you know, a sock-like upper. I have the Hyper Purple colorway. I actually rock that Hyper Purple colorway a lot because I do plan on doing a honest review after wearing them, and I'm going to be doing that vlog sometime this week. But like I said, I seen these and I just had to grab them. Super lightweight, super breathable, definitely a sneaker you want to have in your summer rotation. I couldn't put it on the must-have list for summer. It's really hard for me to put this in the top 5 and knock another sneaker off my list. But nonetheless, I definitely think it's a sneaker you should keep in mind for the summer. The Habanero Red is retailing at $150 right now. I just picked these up from Finish Line. So shout out to Finish Line again. That's like them and Kicks USA are like my go-to stores in this area for sneakers. But enough of this. Let's get into what you guys really came here for. Let's get into the on foot. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. And tomorrow's video, let me just get into that real quick. Tomorrow's video is going to be a super dope video. It's an unboxing, but it's not a regular unboxing. It's not going to be review. It's a very iconic sneaker. And this time of year, it just really shows how important this sneaker is and how important this sneaker has been for decades. Enough of that. Let's get into this on foot. I'll be back tomorrow, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats. Richie Ruckus Beats.